She's 14 years old. Ayushi. I just got info that the youth are taken to Agasai police station. So they all been taken here.
It's going to be in the newspaper now.
You see my Instagram post also, so I don't have any poster. Sir, but we are not doing anything, sir. See, Mr. Desai, see, we brought the children. Okay. Mr. Desai, we just brought the children to show them the opinion poll where the host are. I said, we are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children, and there are 3 adults. Give us half an hour to 45 minutes. We are celebrating over here. Sir, Ami Kai, not even one banner here, sir. Sir, Ami Swadhan's protest. Sir, do it. No, I Liberation Day, Monday Kai.
What are these poses they are making like this?
And
government
sir,
has put all this, no poses. Sir, what are they expressing like this?
But,
what are those people expressing?
Sir, but,
all throughout Goa, we have put banners of cutouts.
Please.
Yeah?
Please.
Real people cannot do this. If we do this, we are prisoners. We are criminals. Everywhere around the city, you can see people are raising their fist high in the air. They put cutouts. We are not cutouts. We are real people. Okay? All I want to say, it is not a crime to put your fist up and demand freedom. Don't put those cutouts otherwise. They look stupid otherwise. Real people are there to raise their hand. We don't need cardboard cutouts.
We are just quietly singing songs over here, and not even any kind of songs. But children are here, tourist children are here. Why we girls are not permitted to come here with children? Tu maka sang sir, I go car, I Taligar aata, Ponje aata, I Swadhan Singha aata, and I come here to pray also at the church. Tu maka I sangta protest kind of not even one banner here. No, they are not singing anything. Try karna. Tu maka sang sir. Yes.
No singing, no nothing is. Why? What happens exactly?
No.
Why the police are? You have to explain.
See, we've just come with our children today to show them the opinion poll area where our freedom fighters have fought. So, is it a crime for us Goans to bring our own children? You can see we have like 7, 8 children. So we are touring them around, and if you can see this whole passage, we have people like this with all posters done. And for what reason? I mean, don't do fake promises and don't show fake for tourists when we ourselves, Goans, are not permitted to sit here. We can't sing liberation song, we can't sing our own children's song. If you see our bags, we don't have one banner or poster. And you all know I wear Save Moreland t-shirt or I wear the roster t-shirt. Thanks Galon day and night. So it's our liberty, it's our freedom. Why were we fought liberation otherwise? You all are media people. Why have we fought?
You got a call from the cop now. What the?
I've been
from
getting
whom?
calls
From?
even from sir. said, Sessions called me from morning. I got calls from 3 police people.
Just now you got a call from which officer?
From SP Nata, Mr. Desai. Mr. Uttam Desai.
Oh, okay.
So I got a call from him and he asked me also, Cecil, are you part of this protest? I said, no, I am not part of any of this protest, but I know that the youth are organizing something. But I don't know what. If you see my post, I don't have one Instagram post put up. I don't have one Facebook post put up because it is not my movement. It's youth. I've come with children.
What he was telling you?
He was telling me to move out from here.
Why?
He's saying, don't do protests. I said, you're not doing protests.
Okay, you are moving out or not?
No, I told him, I said, give us some time. We've come with children. Where you want us to take? Everywhere we go, there's barricade. So where are we going to celebrate? And today is 59 years and 100 crores is given to the government to celebrate 1 year. For us, Goenka is only to throw us out from here. Tourists are going to Burgyang gyon. And we don't have freedom to be here with our children. Ami kere white kela. Tumi dakho. You all show the people. Ami kere white kela. Ami kai konung nami boson ha Burgyang gyon. And he's saying it's not right for us to bring children. I mean, it's not right, yeah.
Today 2 birds have been beaten right now from the Penjin side.
So many, everyone was coming. See, today president is coming. Everyone will definitely try to see if they can meet the president or, see something. Because if the youth cannot come and see a president that comes once in a while to Goa, I mean, what is the youth? There should have been a section kept for the youth, kept for children. President of India is coming to Goa. And nothing has been done for the people. I mean, why is the government so scared that we are going to be protesting or why we are going to be making noise? Youth wanted to meet up with the children. Why the youth are not given permission to meet up? They had a letter written also to the president. But everything is under hush, 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 hush and all our MLAs and everyone else is enjoying. And what about we people? Who get them elected?
Once again, only one question I was saying. Are we liberated?
Frankly speaking, no. I don't feel today if I have cops around me and I can't even sit with my child into a parish where I attend church service and into a place where opinion poll has happened, and we got Goa as our own state. If today we can't sit here and just do our own thing with our children, showing them, I don't feel I'm liberated, frankly speaking. And I think so we should have been ruling by the Portuguese only. We should have not got. Today we are fighting with our own Goans and our own Indians because we want little bit of freedom and space and a voice to speak up. That's all I can say, guys.
So now you're leaving or you're staying here?
No, I told Mr. Desai that give us some time. We call children together, we are explaining to them, have some snacks and then they'll move out. Because no one wants us here. I mean, we being Goans are not permitted to sit here. I don't know what else to say. I don't have one post put out of today's protest because I am not part of it. I'm always been supportive of the youth, whatever they wish to do. But Save Mole is a big thing that we've been fighting. Yesterday, y'all were there. We were almost arrested yesterday. But that was a protest that I was part of. But today is the youth movement, and I'm not a youth anymore. But we are always supportive. You can see any youth here. Everyone has been taken and gone from bus stand. We didn't know everyone where they were coming in. But this is opinion poll area. We have the freedom. We have the liberty, and we will be here. And I hope the police don't take children along. I just hope for the best. Yeah.
Your son?
Yes, and these are all the children we work with. Okay, we do a lot of outdoor learning. We've taken the children to Mole. Mole is our favorite forest. And today on Liberation Day, we have come to celebrate and continue like the struggle, that at one point our ancestors did for us. They've left a huge legacy for us. And I feel today our government is compromised and it is up to us, our youth, to be able to assert ourselves. Before coming here, there were like 3 buses where all our friends, our students have been taken. I don't know why. We just came here with the children to celebrate Liberation Day. So we are really disappointed, that some of our friends.
Are we liberated?
Not really, no. I think at the individual level we are empowered to be able to assert our rights. But no, we don't feel liberated at all.
Because I see the everywhere cops are surrounded
Yes,
you.
nobody is listening. Can you imagine the cops are supposed to protect citizens?
Exactly.
And today they are protecting the ones that are doing wrong. Okay, that are making them do something wrong, using the powers that be, using the provisions in various sections. They are arresting people, they are desisting people from speaking up. I think it's a fundamental duty and a right to speak up, and this cannot be stopped.
So what you want to do? How you are celebrating? Varun, can you tell me how you are celebrating Liberation Day of Goa today, our 60th anniversary?
I'm celebrating Liberation Day by. I don't think we are liberated today because we've been protesting for the government to listen to us, and they're not listening. So in Mole, where I've gone, I've seen like a lot of animals, gores, king cobra, and it's a beautiful forest. So I don't want them cutting trees in that forest.
Okay, thank you.
आम्ही प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टीदार बसला आम्ही परमिशन उचलला तू सांग कित्याक खंय वेता घेता आमकां खंय घेता ते सांग आमकां पयले हे प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टी आसा आम्ही परमिशन इचारला आम्ही परमिशन घेतला तू खंय वेता आमकां खंय घेता आमकां तू सांग ना रिक्वेस्टिंग खंय घेता आमकां हे प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टी आमी हांगा बसला आमी बसला हांगा प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टी कित्याक वचोंग
चल घाल भितर
कित्याक वचोंग
चल घाल भितर
What going on?
Why are they taking us to the bus? Why are they are sitting on private property? They are on private property. They ask permission. Why are they taking us? Where are they taking us? Why are they taking us? We are on private property. We are on private property. We ask for permission. We ask for permission to sit. We are on private property. Why are they taking us? Why? Why? Why are they taking us? We are on private property.
I'm walking, no? Yeah, walking. Yeah, so why is he pushing me from behind? No, he's pushing. Relax. No more time, man.
It is such a sad situation. and we are all here with our children, and I will see whether our children also are going to get arrested. There are some youth that have been taken to Agasai police station in the police bus. We are here, and we don't have the freaking freedom. And government ache. Kudos to the president. Thank you very much for coming down to Goa and for screwing up our Liberation Day and our freedom. Okay, we Goans are treated like this today on our Liberation Day. President even doesn't belong over here. He's come, and because of all the security, we as Goans are not given the liberty to practice our liberation rights. It is a sad situation, and to all the Goenkas who are watching this, watch what is happening and watch our Sarkar is doing this to us. This is what we want. This is the freedom that we are fighting for. This is why we've got liberated for 60 years. Huh? Thank you, Deobare Koru, for everything. See, this, thank you. This is what we want, no? Sir? Thank you, Goa government, the elected BJP, for treating us like this. President sir, thank you for coming down to Goa and not allowing us Goans to celebrate our own Goa Liberation Day. Shame. That's my son over there. What are you doing there? I have my son over there. Where you want me to go over there? No, I want my son. I want my son. I want my son. My son is over there. Who's going to take him home? Who's going to take him home? My son is over there. My son is over there. What are you doing? What are you doing?
आमच्या गोंयकाराचो आणि एक पळय सगळे सांगता गोंयकारांक हे आमच्या भुरग्यां त्रास या पुलिसांनी हेंकाय म्हण काय म्हणून सांगता बाबू हे तुमकां काय म्हणणार तुम्ही टेन्शन घ्या या पुलिसांक इन्स्ट्रक्शन हा अँड दिस इज नॉट राईट वी आर सफरिंग फॉर आवर Shame on this BJP government. लाचार पुलिस किती करतले आपण सगळे ऐकता होय 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 My son is crying over there. My son is crying over there. My son is crying over there. होय होय पुलिस हालत सगळे गोंयकार होय Hey boy!
Shut up.
I'm a priest there. My property you are arresting for what? What kind of liberation is this? I'm sitting in my
Hey, boss, please. 1 second. I want to request on what this is. You are a part of the protest. You are a part of the protest. You are a part of the protest.
I wanted this there. My property is there. Please take. Please go.
Want to say anything? Okay, wait. Mama will come. Mama will come. You're taking it? Huh? Taking it? No, Sasi's son. Okay. Sasi's son is. Because the president is going to come now, we have come to see. So.
Your neighbor?
No, I'm just his friend. But I'm wearing belt. I'll come with her. To see.
So you were here for celebration?
Yeah, we just come for celebration because the president is going to come now. That's why.
Acha.
and I am wearing both the pairs. I can't move.
He's a Cecil son.
It's Cecil son.
And Cecil has been taken by police.
Yeah, police.
Why they have taken? Any idea?
We will just come to see, no, today, because the president will going to come and all.